everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have got the Witchcasket to unbox. I'm sorry about my voice. It is a little bit wibbly because I have managed to not catch a cold or a sore throat as such, but I've managed to just lose my voice. I didn't realise I was that clumsy, so please do excuse the sound of my voice right now, but I had to get this done because I've had it already for like 3 days and I don't want it to sit there any longer. I've already opened it. I know what's inside because I don't have that much willpower, but I really did want to share it with you guys. So let's get into this month's Witchcasket, the first Witchcasket of January. So here is our little leaflet this month, and it says that we are this January casket is all about abundance. So everything in this box is about bringing abundance to your life, which is really nice. I'm not going to turn it around because it tells me everything that is in the box, so I won't be letting you guys see that. Our print for this month is this absolutely gorgeous plant by Tea Cake Art. She does the art for pretty much every single box, and I absolutely adore every single piece that she has brought to the box so far, and this one is no exception. We have an A5 canvas poster here, which is a map, and it's got some really cool places on here. I'm just going to bring it a little bit closer so you can see. I'm not quite sure where I'm going to put this or what I'm going to do with it quite yet, but I'm sure it will come to me. Our charm kit for this month is obviously an abundance charm bag kit, and it's a magical herb kit to help bring abundance your way. I haven't actually opened this yet, so I don't know what's inside. So we've got our leaflet here which tells us how to make our charm kit. It smells absolutely gorgeous. We have got a green bag for abundance, and we have got our herbs here, and we have got, what are these? Mint here. So we've got mint. That's what I could smell. I absolutely adore mint. And then we have some cloves here too. So, and they always give you plenty of herbs as well, more than what you actually need for the charm bag, which is always really cool and really handy because, you know, we're witches, we have other spells to cast. So that is our charm kit this month. Oh, and there's always like a little picture on the back, which I also like to pop on my wall of art back here, you will see. So I always like to put these on the wall, so I write down everything that's written there so that I can keep it on my wall and not have to worry about it. Ooh, our crystal for this month is a green quartz. It says that green quartz stimulates creativity and increases intuition. It attracts abundance and fortune and success, and also has the ability to take negative energy and transform it into positive energy. So I'm just going to take the crystal out here just to show you. It's absolutely beautiful. Oh, I've got some fluff on my finger. I'm wearing a very fluffy cardigan today. Here it is. If it wants to focus, hello. It seems to want to focus on everything else. There we go. That's absolutely beautiful. That is our crystal for this month. This is my first piece of green quartz. I've got plenty of quartz, but not green. We seem to be getting these stickers in all of our Witchcasket boxes. This month it is a green one, obviously, because like the theme of the box is green. I'm going to put this in the giveaway box that I have got stored away. I think what I'm going to do at Christmas, which seems a very long way away now because we've just had Christmas, but once Christmas comes, the things that I don't use that I get in the boxes, things that I know that I'm not going to use, anything that I collect throughout the year goes into this giveaway box, and then at Christmas either one or two people, depending on how much the stuff I have gathered, gets a whopping good Christmas present from me. So if you are part of my group, I will link it down in the description box below. It is definitely worth being part of my group just for things like that. So that will be going into the giveaway box. We get a pin every single month, and this month is Casket Crew, and I absolutely adore this. It is absolutely gorgeous. I've got so many now. I am not too sure what I am doing with them, but at the minute, in my first box I got a Witch's Sanctuary big poster, canvas poster, and I have just been attaching the pins onto that poster. Ooh, we've got a little purse here, which is cool for abundance. We can do a little spell, put our coins in here, and hopefully when we open them there will be more in there, or we will find some more somewhere. How cool would that be? But we have this beautiful little coin purse here. Our tea for this month looks absolutely beautiful. Mindful Moringa loose leaf tea. Excellent mandarin orange notes you'll never forget. Superb hot or cold. So I'm just going to take this out of the box. Out of the packet. I love how the tea is now in these beautiful biodegradable bags. Makes it easier to store, but it also is healthy for the planet. That smells really nice. I can't wait to try some of that. So I'll just pop that there. What else have we got in here? Oh, you guys know how much I love my bracelets. I'm wearing all my bracelets that I get in my boxes. This is a green bracelet. Let me have a look. It will be an abundance charm bracelet, I'm guessing. Oh, it's green aventurine. So we've got a green aventurine bracelet here. I love green aventurine. So that is the bracelet. That is absolutely beautiful. Ooh, focus. And there we go. That is absolutely gorgeous. Ooh, our incense this month is patchouli forest. You guys know how much I love patchouli. So I will actually burn some of that now because I feel like I need a little bit of a pick-me-up. And patchouli might just do that for me. So it always comes in a little bag like this. And you just pull it out. If you're lucky, you do it at the right side, so you're not pulling on the actual incense. And it just comes in a really long stick like that, and you burn the end if you've never tried incense before. So I'm just going to give this a little light. Oh, that doesn't look lit. I can never tell. There we go. And I'm just going to pop it in my... Sorry about that, guys. I got cut off a little bit, but what I've done is I've just burnt the patchouli incense there, you can see. And yes, it smells absolutely beautiful. So there we go. And oh, this is quite fancy. This is a Witchcasket Abundance Talisman. And it says this magical talisman will attract abundance and good fortune to its bearer. And I guess I don't know if you have to put a charm on it or if it's already been charmed or what. But it is just like a gold coin that just says Witchcasket on it, if it will focus. Oops, let's just try and get that to focus. There we go, that's what it looks like. So that's rather a cool little piece. And oh, this is quite exciting. We have got a pestle and a mortar. So let me just fight with all the packing peanuts here and get this out of the box. So this is actually really, really pretty. And it's got like a little rubber bottom on it, so it's not going to slip and slide anywhere. And it's really sturdy, and it's small but very, very deep, so you can do all your herbs, which is absolutely great. I did have a big one, but I've given it away because I didn't need a really big one. I don't do spells that require me to use that much herb. So this small one is actually really good, and I am excited. I did get one in my Freya's cauldron box, but I use that as a smudging bowl. So it's really good to get another one, especially one that has a rubber bottom, and I know it's not going to go sliding around anywhere. So here is my magical ways. Oh, sorry, I just gave the game away. This is the parchment that we get in this month's box, and it is just magical ways to attract abundance, and you can pause it if you want to read it. That will be going in my book of shadows. So that is everything in this month's box. Super cool box yet again. Absolutely fantastic start to January, to the new year, and I am already excited to get next month's box. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for being patient with my voice if you have got this far, and I will see you in my next video, guys. See you later.